In that moment, I started getting tears in my eyes, and I realized that some parts of me still isn't that comfortable with God. Sometimes I am, but unconsciously I'm not. How comfortable am I just calling Dad Pops and being so plain with him and being so informal with him, even in front of other people or people that I'm maybe ministering to or preaching to, in any situation? Is that the type of way I relate to him? And I just felt in my heart that that's the way he wants me to relate to him. That's the type of relationship he wants. He desires it with all his heart. And he just said, my son, just sit in it for a moment and just observe how much distance you sometimes create between me and you. Just observe how much you still think you need to earn my love. You still need to prove yourself worthy.